A few hours after we finished reviewing Craft, we got an update, version 3. So let's find out what's new. Hey guys, it's Robsy, back with Paperless X, a channel dedicated to easing your digital transformation. If you're new to our channel, hello. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, fantastic human, welcome back. We now have a dedicated space for our tasks in the app. I like that it is divided into different parts, and the documents with task section is definitely going to become handy. But I was fixated on getting the app to work with Apple reminders. They took a while to show up, but the tasks did appear eventually. Oh boy, this still needs a lot of work. Not only is it not organized, but importing tasks into Craft deletes them from Apple reminders. No thank you. For my work setup, I might have to shelve this for a while until we have two-way syncing between Craft and Apple reminders. Tasks in Craft have a lot of potential. I love the dedicated space for them, allowing us to easily create documents for our to-dos or even linking them to already existing ones. Tapping on a document shows you the tasks that you need to complete for that document without having to open it. It will definitely save you a lot of time because of how easy it is to check off items from multiple documents. I love that the app marks when you complete a task, but then your due date disappears, so maybe some might not like that. The calendar is also improved. It now connects to Apple Calendar. I like how each day is set up. Tasks and daily notes are intuitive to work with. It seems, though, we can only view our events, but can't create them from within Craft. We look forward to having that. It's exciting seeing all these get things done features in Craft, and we definitely look forward to a two-way sync between different Apple apps to make them more functional. If you're already using Craft, these are probably useful additions, but for those of us considering using the app, it might not be enough yet. Collections are small databases of sorts that allow you to organize some information in a table. You can add columns that can be one of several types of information, text, numbers, checkboxes, etc. We can't change the first column though. I wish we could because I really just wanted to rename it. Adding new rows is not intuitive though. Maybe there's a shortcut for it I am yet to discover. After filling your collection, you can use several filters to view certain information. It's definitely a useful feature, one I've started using for tracking all the apps that we cover on this channel, so really appreciate that. You can even go and make notes for each entry. Though it's exciting to see in Craft, it's not a new concept. They're just catching up. And those of us who wanted to leave Notion but stayed because of this feature, let us know if you are finally going to make the switch. Do tell. Craft loves cute documents. Oh, why did my app crash? Like I was saying, Craft loves styling your documents with background and document colors. I generally don't look at such things because I prefer minimalism for everything. So I even forgot to mention these when we review the app. Now in version 3, you get a lot of new styles to make your documents look prettier. It's definitely not for everyone, and I am one of those humans it's not for. But there you have it. I can see Craft potentially replacing Apple Notes for me with the right kind of integrations, I suppose, but I'm not sure when or if that will actually happen. Great updates. It's made us consider looking into Notion a lot deeper than we have in the past because we're trying to cover as many different kinds of apps as we possibly can. How do you guys feel about the new update? Have you picked up something new that we haven't? We did just cover the main obvious ones that the developers listed. Do let us know. We hope you guys liked this video and that you found it useful. Give it a thumbs up. If you did, thank you, fantastic human, for watching. See you in the next video.